Yung first track sa album ko na Alon is La Luna. Kaya La Luna yung first track ko sa album kasi La Luna yung magsiset ng overall mood ng album, which is anguish. So parang sadness na may kasama
So it's a very important song, an amazing song.
ng frustration and anger pagdating sa kinakaharap ko sa buhay or mga perception ko pagdating sa mundo. Masasabi ko rin na kaya lalo na siya kasi it's a commencement of a show wherein I will show everything nang walang filter. Gusto ko maging vulnerable to show people
I
kung
think from now on, Pablo will explain each song every single day from his album. He is gonna explain why and how he wrote this song. What is the story behind this, writing that song?
ano yung realidad, kung ano yung kinakaharap ko ngayon, kung ano yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. And yun yung ipapakita ko sa buong album. So, yun yung lalo na it might be too heavy for people. Siguro masyadong maingay for some people. Pero since I want this album to be something na magpapalabas ng extreme emotions, ng totoo lang talaga. Kaya lalo na yung pinili kong first track ng Alon album.